Hi, this is Gloria. I joined over at Your Paper Pantry the notebook swap that Michelle was hosting. It's for a swap book, and this is what I came up with. This here's my book, but this was some paper that I had, and the flowers came from Trisha's store. I just used Spellbinder's label, and then I had the smaller alphabets and stamped out swaps, and then sponged it with Stampin' Up's Real Red ink. And then this is another Nestabilities die cut. And then I just added some bling to the flowers. And then this here girl, I had gotten her from the it's the Funky kit. It's in the UK. I'll have that link down below. But this is the girl that I used, Daydream Cassie. It's a Sugar Nelly stamp. But I think she was so cute. And then I just used my Bind It All. And then on the inside, I got 12 tabs. And then these are 3x5, like, cardstock that's like index cards, and then just went through and did that for 12 months. And then this, I'll get to it. This is the inside paper. It's real shiny and sparkly. But this was my book that I had made up for over at Your Paper Pantry. Well, if it closes. But this is what I came up with for the Your Paper Pantry swap. And then I just colored her with the Copics, and well, her skin and hair is colored with the Copic. The rest is all done with the Prism colored pencils and the odorless mineral spirits and a stump. So let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or PM me and I will get back with you. So thank you for watching. You have a good night. Bye.